In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to disable VLC Media Player's Open Recent Media feature on your device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up your VLC Media Player application, and you want to select the Tools tab at the top, and then go down and select Preferences. Underneath the Interface tab, you want to locate the area that says Privacy and Network Interaction down here. And there should be something that says Save Recently Played Items. Just go ahead and uncheck that if you want to disable it. And then recent media history should be permanently disabled going forward. Just select Save, and that's it. So pretty straightforward process, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.